Hi, my name is Yuki Shao, and this is my presentation for Tableau. Um, this is for my computer business class, CGS 2100, for Professor Dennis Walpole. I will be a business accounting major at USF. I will soon be pursuing my master's as well. So this is my Tableau project. We are Cafe The Nook. We were ranked number 13. Um, the first graph I have here showcases net income versus revenue. Revenue is the total amount of income generated by my cafe in regular operations, whereas net income is the gross profit of the cafe. So it would be revenue minus all other expenses, which is why if you look at the graph here, it makes sense that net income is so much lower than the revenue, because all this extra here would be expense. But at least it's good that revenue and net income are both increasing. Next up, we have revenue versus cups sold. You can see here that it keeps going up, the graph keeps going up, except for week 10 and week 11, which during BizCafe, this was as a result of poor handling of customer harassment. We decided to ignore the customer that was making unwanted advances on a server, and that led to a decline in morality and work productivity, which we didn't take into account before. So there wasn't as many cups sold during these 2 weeks. But further on, we decided to hire more servers, and so we learned from our mistake, and there were more cups being sold in the future. So next up, we have competitor sales. This showcases our cafe in relation to 4 other cafes in the same industry. You can see that we're not doing the best, but at least we are making above 100K in revenue, which is decent. I think most of this was because of the poor handling of our servers. We didn't have many servers starting out in the beginning, and that caused us to fall behind. Next up, we have the dashboard, which is it lists all the data that I just talked about. Shows the revenue versus cups sold up here, so you can look at all of that. Net income versus revenue to the side, as well as competitor sales. So you can see how this goes into relation within all the other cafes that are also in the same industry. And that concludes my Tableau project. I hope this meets your requirements, and thank you for your time.